Ever wondered how you could turn this screen, the one that you're watching me on, into a gold mine? In this video, I will give you 6 proven ways to make money online. Most of the time you use the screen scrolling through the internet watching cat videos and think, hey, shouldn't I be getting paid for this? Well, you're not alone. According to a survey by Airtasker, the average person spends nearly 143 hours on the internet per month. That's a whole lot of cat videos. But what if you could turn those hours into dollars? And no, I don't mean by selling your grandma's secret cooking recipe, though if they're good, maybe you should consider that. Hi, my name is Tasvir Mirza. Let's log in, power up, and turn that Wi-Fi into a wads of cash. Ever heard of the phrase jack of all trades? Well, as a freelancer, you'll just be that. The global gig economy expected to hit $455 billion by 2023. Did you know almost half of the global workforce, around 1.57 billion people, are freelancers? And in the US alone, we have seen a jump from 70.4 million freelancers in 2022 to a whopping 73.3 million in 2023. So what's freelancing? It's like being a superhero. You use your special skills to save the day for your clients and then fly off to the sunset or to the next gig. You work project to project, client to client. Best of all, you call your own shots. No boss, no office, no politics. Just pure talent making pure money. You have the freedom to work when you want, where you work. Plus, you can often set your own rates. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancers are like treasure maps. They connect freelancers with clients from all over the world and in a variety of fields. Upwork, a major player in the freelancing market, has over 16 million freelancers. Freelancing is not limited to one profession, from software consultant earning more than $92,000 a year to graphic designer and social media managers. The freelance economy spans a vast range of skills and industries. In the US, the number of freelancers are expected to keep rising, with predictions suggesting 90.1 million people will be freelancing by 2028. And that's a significant chunk of the workforce. If that doesn't inspire you to put your freelancing cape, I don't know what will. Ever dreamed of owning a store but got scared off by the inventory? Well, say hello to dropshipping. Yeah, it's that dropshipping that everyone is talking about and everyone is becoming a millionaire doing it. I'm sure in the last couple of years, you were not being able to browse the internet without seeing some sort of ad of someone driving a sports car and wearing a luxury watch saying, dropshipping got me this. Dropshipping is like being a store owner, but without the heavy lifting. You sell product directly to the consumer and the manufacturers ship them out to your consumer. According to a recent data, the global dropshipping market is on fire, hitting a whopping $243.42 billion in 2023. And guess what? That's a 23.7% increase from just a year ago. This is not just a passing trend as everyone's thinking. In fact, experts are predicting a continued and rapid growth, with the market expected to reach $301.11 billion in 2024. By 2026, we're looking at an industry worth as much as $476.1 billion. And that's more than 3.5% its value in 2020. The average annual growth of this market from 2020 to 2026 is projected to be a healthy 24.39%. And that's not stopping there. The peak of the growth is expected to come around 2026, a forecasted rise about 27.82%. At this rate, a $500 billion market isn't just a dream, it could be a reality as early as 2027. So why the huge growth? A few reasons really. The shift towards online shopping, especially with the boom of e-commerce during pandemic, has been a major player. But the real kicker is dropshipping business don't really need that much to get started with. Dropshipping businesses don't really need to hold any inventory, so no storage space, no upfront cost for goods, meaning lower startup cost. You might be thinking, how can I get started on this? Platforms like Shopify making it easier than ever to start your own online stores. Etsy, eBay, Amazon, FBA, all these could be your digital storefronts as well. But here's the thing, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme as most of these sports car drivers are making it sound like. And it's not as easy as they make it look like. You do not need any expensive courses to learn how dropshipping works, because most of these informations are readily available online. Just like anything else, it requires some trial and error. Even though it is very saturated, however, there's still huge potential to grow. Create a brand, provide value to your customer, and provide A+ customer service, you too can become successful in dropshipping. Oh, it's you again, still not convinced? Meet Erwin Dominguez. From absolute zero, he made over $1 million in sales in just 8 months. Wait, before you rush off to start your online empire, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to this channel, as I'm running a 99.9% sale on absolutely everything. The picture worth 1,000 words? Well, that's our next step. A picture could be worth $1,000 too. Welcome to stock photography. Say cheese if you have a knack for taking pictures. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock can turn your photos into dough. The global market for stock images was expected to reach around $4.46 billion this year. The idea is simple. Click, earn, repeat. A Shutterstock contributor earned over $120,000 selling photos. Who knew your holiday snaps could potentially fund your next holiday? Now, here's an interesting approach to this. Have you ever heard of this thing called AI? AI image generators like Midjourney and DALL-E 2 are creating stunning, hyper-realistic images that are revolutionizing the digital art space. These user-friendly systems are making it simple for everyone to create and share unique pieces of art. They're your artistic tool with a digital twist. And guess what? According to their terms and conditions, you can legally sell artwork generated by them, selling physical products without worrying about inventory, or you can create an e-commerce store just like our previous tip and start selling from there. AI art generators are fantastic, but they do have a limitation, which is image resolution. To overcome this, you can use AI Image Enlarger, an app that can increases the size of the image without losing its quality. Perfect for larger prints and t-shirts. And when it comes to legalities, remember that as of recording this video, the current US Copyright Office rule states that the AI art cannot be copyrighted as it lacks human authorship. But it doesn't prevent you from selling your AI art. Next up, I've got a mission for you if you choose to accept it. It's called affiliate marketing, where you promote someone else's product and earn a commission on every sale. And guess what? Your paycheck can be huge. It's not a secret society that you need a decoder ring to join. Affiliate market is just a fancy way of saying getting paid for promoting someone else's product. Let's not forget our shopping habit in this digital age. More than half of shoppers research before buying to ensure they're making the best possible choice. Mobile devices account for 50% of affiliate-related traffic. Let's break it down a bit. In the United States, a solid 16% of online orders comes through affiliate marketing, and 83% of marketers use this strategy to raise brand awareness. Top businesses earn 5 to 30% of their internet revenue via affiliate marketing. And did you know there are 10,000 affiliated marketing related services globally? And what about the big players? ShareSale controls the majority of worldwide affiliate marketing businesses with a 55.7% share and a 241,000 affiliate partners worldwide. Meanwhile, Amazon associates have over 900,000 affiliates. Affiliate marketing spending in the US alone is projected to be $13 billion in 2023. Affiliate marketing managers can earn an average of $58,000 annually. Not too bad for sharing links, right? SaaS or software as a service-based products can give you 20 to 70% commission. It's like a software jackpot. But let's not get too ahead of ourselves. What about the little guys? The bloggers, the influencers, the review channels? Well, they're the leading channels for affiliate marketing, even though over half of them earns less than $10,000. But don't let that discourage you. Average 15% of them earn between $80,000 to $1 million annually. Even this video has some affiliated links. If you go to the description section of this video, you'll find the gears I used, and there's some links underneath it. If you click on any of those links, it will take you to Amazon. If you make a purchase from Amazon, I make a commission off of that sale with absolutely no extra cost to you. So how does this work? You sign up with an affiliate marketing program, they give you a unique link, and you promote their products or services. If someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you get a commission. Now you may be thinking, but I only have 12 followers and half of them are my mom's book club. But don't worry, here are some tips to get you started on your affiliate marketing journey. Number 1, choose a product that you like and you genuinely believe in. People can smell fake enthusiasm faster than last week's tuna. Secondly, don't spam your audience. No one likes a pushy salesperson. Finally, be patient. Rome wasn't built in one day, and your affiliate marketing empire won't be either. In fact, since the pandemic, 65% of CFOs plan to increase their investment in affiliated marketing. The annual growth rate of affiliate marketing is predicted to be over 10%. So if you're thinking of diving into the profitable world, there's no better time than now. And remember, in the world of affiliate marketing, you don't really need to wear pants to work. And you know what else you don't need to wear pants for? Hitting the like and subscribe button. So now you've gotten knowledge and you're thinking the world needs it. Plus, I wouldn't mind making some extra cash. The online course market is booming. The revenue projected to hit $325 billion by 2025. And that's a lot of textbooks. First things first, pick your course topic. Are you a coding wizard, a wellness guru, a business mastermind, or are you just a pro at playing ukulele balancing on a unicycle? Great, there's probably a niche for that too. Not me, obviously. Think niche, not general. Research, gather real numbers, and focus on satisfying your current audience. They're your low-hanging fruits. Do your homework, research existing courses, what works, what doesn't. Write it down or draw it, whatever floats your boat. There's a market for every knowledge out there. Second, let's talk about building an audience. You've got social media, blogging, podcasts, online forums, all platforms you can share your expertise consistently. Your first customer will likely come from your existing email list or social media followers. So build that audience, engage with them, and they will be the first one to sign up when the course goes live. So how much should you charge? On an average, courses cost between $500 to $200 depending on competition, your expertise, and the topic's niche. Understand your target audience's income level and align your pricing with that. One-time payment, membership fees, payment plans. Choose a model that suits you and your audience. On to the content creation. Start with script, prepare materials, and remember, quality is king. High quality content, video, audio, all of these matters. Invest in good equipment or hire a team. And don't forget the magic of a green screen. Create engaging content, be fun and interactive, and remember, every student is different. Be like the cool teacher from school, but without the detention threat. Engage potential buyers early. Offer discounts to your email list to pre-sell your content. Consider pay-per-click ads, retargeting ads, and even affiliate program just like the one we've discussed earlier. Sell your courses on platforms like Udemy, Coursera, Skillshare, or create your own websites just like the online store that we have talked about. Ever heard of Access Ally? It's a WordPress plugin that's a one-stop shop for your course needs. What's cool about Access Ally? It's got everything from beautiful enrollment forms to advanced analytics, plus a dedicated support team that's there to help you. Your course can always improve. Engage with your students, understand their journey, and keep your course updated. Of course, it's you again. Meet Rob Percival, made over $1 million in his first year of teaching online. And if you got any knowledge out of this video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And finally, talking about money without mentioning YouTube, that would be like making a sandwich without a bread. Your dreams of becoming a YouTube millionaire can come true, and today I'm going to give you the 411 on how to do it. It's estimated that top YouTubers can make $15,000 per million views. And guess what? You're doing just that now, viewing my YouTube video. Inception much? YouTube was launched in 2005 by 3 PayPal employees. They ran the platform from an office above a small restaurant. Talk about humble beginnings. Fast forward a year, YouTube had over 2 million videos per day and 20 million daily users. Enter Google. They scooped up YouTube for $1.65 billion, making one of the smartest acquisitions ever. All right, step 1, create a YouTube channel. I mean, that's a no-brainer, right? Step 2, you gotta make content that people want to watch. But what kind of content, you might ask? Well, I don't know. How about videos of you trying to learn tango or taste testing every cheese? Or maybe even dramatic reading of your high school diary. The possibilities are endless. It could be as simple as podcasting. What about this guy? Yeah, Joe Rogan. He signed a multi-year $200 million licensing deal with Spotify in 2020. As a part of the agreement, Spotify gained sole distribution right for Joe Rogan's experience. Joe Rogan's podcast generates additional revenue from advertisement and his Spotify partnership. His podcast reportedly brings around $100,000 per episode from advertising. So pick your niche. Not all niches are created equally. Some are simply more profitable than the other. But remember, it takes time, effort, and a lot of hard work to start seeing significant return from YouTube. You need to amass a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours over the last 12 months to be eligible for the YouTube Partner Program. So start pestering your mom, your mailman, your dog, anyone and everyone to subscribe. Once you're in the YouTube Partner Program, you can start making money from ads, channel membership, or even merchandise shows. So slap those ads on your video, offer your biggest fans some exclusive perk, and get selling that merch. Who wouldn't want to buy a t-shirt with your face on it, right? But don't overdo it. Your viewers' experience should be your top priority. Google AdSense will serve you as your fancy online piggy bank. Each time an ad is interacted with your video, you will earn a bit of money. It might be small, but hey, Rome wasn't built in one day, right? A lot of YouTubers start off by making no money. Even PewDiePie had his humble beginnings. It's not until you build up a genuine traffic to your videos that you start to see some earning. A 2022 report showed that an average pay for YouTube content creator in the US was around $46.16 per month. They get about 55% of the revenue from their channels. That's $55 out of every $100 an advertiser spend. Once you hit around 20,000 subscribers, you might consider asking for crowdfunding assistance through sites like Patreon. However, even moderately successful channels often don't generate a full-time income. When a YouTube channel subscriber count hits the million, things starts to change. They start to get recognized and their traffic allows them to earn good money. For instance, if a channel with 1 million subscribers gets all their fans to watch 2 new videos per week, they could earn up to $36,000 per week just from AdSense alone. So there you have it, 6 proven ways to make money online. Remember, the internet is a goldmine. You just need to know where to dig. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about finding what you love and making it profitable. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Thank you. See you in the next video. And in the US alone, we have seen a jump from 70.4 million freelancers to 20. And interestingly, 3 in 10 Fortune 100